Hello and welcome once again to the Rugged Rockhound. It's a bit of a colder day and it's the day before the move. I had a little bit more time. I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do another quick cutting. And so I'm going to quickly cut a few rocks. And that'll be the last rock cutting before we move to our new house up in Rexburg. Cool, let's get at it. Here's this little piece of crandallite that I found laying around cut open. And it's definitely yellow. Here's some Salina Wonderstone cut open. Yep, nice and black. Cool. Some more Levan black agate. Had a little bit of botryoidal here. Decided to cut through it and, oh, that looks cool. Nice. Some more jasper from the San Rafael swell, and that's a nice looking one. It's got the classic colors in it. Here's a little bit of jasper, and it looks pretty nice actually. I think this was from the San Rafael swell. Here's some more Levan black agate. Oh, cool. Hey, I bet that might look cool with some light coming through it. Yeah, a little bit. Anyway, sweet piece. Here's some jasper. I believe this comes from that little Moab Chimney Rock area that Tim found. Yeah, nice piece. Here's some of the Drum Mountain jasper agate. I tried to cut it in a way to kind of get to some of these plumes where the jasper runs into the agate, just to kind of get a feel. Didn't quite turn out how I wanted, but interesting. Here's a nice little piece of Vernon Wonderstone. Oh yeah, that's a really good looking one. So unfortunately some clouds have moved in, but this is a little bit more of the black agate, and this one has some red in it too. And you can see some light coming through that too. Neat stuff. Really neat stuff. Some more Salina Wonderstone. Looking good. Ah, that's some pretty neat stuff. Here's some more San Rafael swell red jasper, and it looks really good color-wise, so I'm hoping, yeah, that's some nice stuff. That's a good piece. And last of all, here's some more Vernon Wonderstone. Broke a little bit, but it looks really nice. And there you have it, the actual final cutting video of our home here in Pocatello. Kind of bittersweet, but excited for the new adventure. Excited to get really back into rock hunting. So this cutting video you'll probably have seen several weeks after we've moved, just because I have so many cutting videos, so I can just line them up throughout the summer. But I'm hoping to, not do so many cutting videos and do more rock hunting videos, because that's the main thing. And then be able to cut the stuff I find so that I don't have to save it for a cutting video later. Anyway, until next time, remember, there's treasure everywhere.